Destiny.
Turners.
How's it going?
Tonight. I didn't know what else to say.
Yeah, well, we wanted to say hello.
Hello.
Because you liked our status.
Because you liked our status.
To make a video.
Do
Do you like our shades?
you like them? Do you like them?
We want to be unique.
I think
Do
you
you
like
like
them. I think
Do
she
you like
likes them.
I
I
think
think she does.
You were supposed to be here tonight. You didn't come.
Yeah.
You didn't.
Oh, and we saw your picture
Your
of you
freaking
playing video games.
You're playing video games?
Yeah.
Video? I wanted to play. I wanted to.
Yeah.
So, you should have came so that we could walk to Dumbo's house and roast her. You know what I'm talking about? I'll just say her name. Emily Slaughter.
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 Yeah, well.
Anyways.
Anyway.
Like, you're totally just amazing. That's a fat person.
That's me.
Oh my gosh, I'm
Anyway,
sorry.
we love you.
We love you, and you're like amazingly
Amazing.
pretty
You're
and amazing,
gorgeous.
and like
Beautiful.
you're just like really cool. And
And I enjoyed my video, by the way. Yeah.
And I'm going to enjoy the one that you make me if you make me one, because you know I did like it.
She did.
But if
She was jocking on my status, bro. She was all up on it, liking everything on my profile. Creeping.
That's what I do best.
She be creeping. Where's Sean Ray at? Alright, well, we love you. K, bye, bye.